Are you ready to finally conquer your schedule and to-do list chaos? First up, Google Calendar, the trusty sidekick that's likely already on your phone feature-wise. It's all about appointment scheduling, event reminders, and shareable calendars for seamless team coordination. Think color-coded categories for work, personal, and even that dreaded dentist appointment. Now, let's dive into Todoist, the task management guru. It excels at breaking down big projects into manageable tasks, setting priorities, and tracking your progress. The beauty lies in its simplicity and flexibility. It goes far beyond a regular calendar. When it comes to pricing, Google Calendar's core functions are completely free. A huge plus. Todoist offers a free version too, but you'll need a premium subscription to unlock its full potential, like advanced filters and reminders. User interface is crucial. Google Calendar boasts a clean, intuitive design that's easy to navigate, especially if you're already familiar with other Google products. Todoist is equally user-friendly, with a focus on task management and a sleek, modern feel. Customer support-wise, Google relies on its extensive online help center and community forums. Todoist provides email support and a detailed knowledge base for troubleshooting. Ultimately, the best tool depends on your personal needs. If you need a reliable calendar for scheduling and appointments, Google Calendar is a great choice. If you need a more robust task management system, Todoist is the way to go. What are your favorite productivity tools? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.